Hey, it's Caroline from Printful. Every once in a while, the internet is taken by storm with videos of hilarious use of Instagram filters. It's all fun and games, but did you know that these filters can help you as a brand grow your following and stand out among others? With over 1 billion monthly active users, Instagram is a place where businesses and consumers engage in a creative way. 1/3 of the most viewed stories are from businesses, and as an owner of a small business, you need a unique way to engage with your new and existing audience. That's where Instagram filters become a useful tool to create a personalized experience for your customers and add value to your products and promote your store. Plus, you can create Instagram filters on your own for free. An Instagram filter is a type of augmented reality, or AR application, that allows Instagram users, with the help of their smartphones, to interact with virtual objects in their environment in real time. There are a lot of categories for Instagram filters, which can be generalized into 5 types of AR experiences that you can explore: face filters, portals, world effects, mini games, and image trackers. When you create your first augmented reality Instagram filter, it'll be published to your brand's Instagram page in the dedicated filter tab. You can add a Try It button, so users can easily see what your filter is about. Whenever an Instagram user shares a story with your filter, it becomes accessible to their followers as well. Each filter has a name that can be seen in the top left corner, as well as information on the account it came from. Each Instagram filter has a unique link that can be shared outside the platform. When you click on the link, it takes you directly to the Instagram camera with the effect already loaded. Since the majority of online shoppers are using their phones to make their purchases, you can include the filter link in a pop-up that appears after checkout, and in your ads as well. You can also add the link to your Instagram filter in your packaging slips by placing it directly in the message box with a call to action, or as a stylized QR code with your logo in the branding section. Most phones now have a feature to recognize the link within an image and enter the actual website. In these cases, you can create a specific filter to promote your Instagram brand account. Just make sure to test it out first. Another way to create an exclusive experience is by adding a QR code to one of your products from the wall art category. When the customer scans the QR code, Instagram opens up and reveals extra details of the printed design. This will give your product that added value. For all of this to work, you need to know exactly what niche audience your business is targeting to create relevant content that would interest them. Plan the dynamics of your filter, how the elements will interact with the environment and the facial expressions of your audience. And follow the community guidelines when creating your filter. I'll leave a link to those documents in the description below. You can create custom Instagram filters with free open source software available on both Mac and Windows called Spark AR Studio. This software can help you build filters from the ground up. It has plenty of tutorials to get you started, pre-made templates that you can customize, and an extensive library with 3D assets. If you want to take your brand to the next level, create a unique experience for your customers and audience. This is where you should invest your time little by little. Not that long ago, augmented reality was exclusive to top brands like IKEA, who used it in their app to let users in some regions place 3D models of the furniture in their homes before buying the product. After the release of Spark AR Studio, AR became more accessible to the public, and it won't be long before AR becomes the next new normal of shopping experience. So how will you use augmented reality in your marketing strategy? If you're already using Instagram AR filters, what's your experience like? Let's talk about it in the comments.